G'day everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be forging some calipers. Now I'm going to be using these mostly for the lathe to measure dimensions of the piece that I'm turning so I can get a fairly accurate and consistent diameter the whole way through. Now a more standard set of sliding calipers like these are very limited by the depth of the jaws there. Now since these other calipers are rotating calipers, you'll be able to measure a lot wider diameter on your pieces, which is probably a lot more common on the lathe. That said, hope you all enjoy, and let's get into it. It would have been better to use flat stock, however I need to make tongs to hold it. For that reason I'm using 12mm square bar. I use a crossbeam to efficiently draw down the taper and the square side of the hammer to planish at cooler temperatures. I ground the mating surfaces smooth so they wouldn't interfere with each other. Okay, so there we have it everyone, the finished tool. Overall, I'm quite pleased with how it turned out. It's not the most precise tool by any means, but I think there's still something very satisfying about making a measurement instrument like this from hand. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up and let me know down in the comments what you want to see me make next. If you think you might enjoy similar content to this, please consider subscribing, as it really means a lot to me, and you'll be able to see my content a lot easier through YouTube. Hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time.